Channel 3 Hartford Bureau Chief Aya Galel with an update on the crash that killed a Hartford police detective last month. 18-year-old Richard Barrington went before a judge at Hartford Superior Court today. The hearing lasted only a few minutes, and the state is in the process of gathering thumb drives with digital evidence for the case. Barrington faces a number of charges, including manslaughter. Detective Bobby Garton died in the September 6th crash. Officer Brian Kearney was seriously injured. The suspect's family packed the courthouse today and blew kisses to Richard Barrington. He's being held on a $1 million bond and will be back in court again on December 6th.